Hey, I'm out at a hotel. I'm gonna show you some air conditioners on the back of the hotel. Here's one right here, but it's off. It's a good man. The newest air conditioner around here. I don't want to get too close to it though. It's the newest air conditioner here. It's a 23. And there's some more air conditioners over there. Saw one. Probably hear one that's on. And this one's running. Oh, that was that. Excuse me. This one's on too. Yeah. Just looking at the air conditioner, that's all.
Okay.
No need to interrupt, sorry. Thank you for asking, though. Thanks for asking, though. And this one's off. Thanks for asking. Thanks for asking. There are good airs. The only one over here is a good man. Here, a train. Don't know what this circus is, but it's the really newest one. Yeah, I'm good, thank you. Yeah. Thanks for asking. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.